Recommendation: after using the device for 12 to 16 hours, the exhaled filter should be replaced. Use hand sanitizer for your hand. Step 1. Turn the exhale filter counterclockwise. Step 2. Immediately throw the old filters in the trash. Then wash hands with soap or sanitizer. Step 3. Open the filter bag and take out the new filter. Place 2 new filters in the center of the exhale filter holder on the Vihood. Step 4. Close the outer cover. Make sure the filters in the exhale filter holder are securely closed. Turn the exhale filter clockwise. Do the same thing with the other.